that ass. That's a power 10. It's like a 10. You're island people. Humans are resourceful. We're not going to provide housing for people who need a little help, need a little boost, bridge housing, and they're going to make it. So if we don't provide them the space, people are going to take space anyways. We don't want to give 10 feet. Guess what? They're going to get 40. That's how it works. Mother Earth. Yeah. Island folk. Nice spot. Nice setup. Oh, fog coming in. Nice racing strip. Going to meet up with Freddie Hardwire. George Carlin's gopher. Fearless Fred. Mad Dog. Vinegar Adam. Piss and vinegar. Detroit's finest. Mother Earth. Beautiful. Remember, forget about that greed. Don't try to turn the earth into all these riches. The earth is the riches. Enjoy the earth. Enjoy the wealth, the beauty. Breathe that fresh air. Know anything is possible. You put here to contribute. Plant a tree. Shoot a joint. Whatever it takes. Keep it herbal. Man, the greenery is just blooming. I feel like the double rainbow guy. Look at all these trees. Magic. Green magic.